In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stamp to the Quick Access toolbar and use Bates numbering in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started by opening your file in Adobe Acrobat. Having the document visible makes it easier to see changes immediately and confirm everything is working the way you expect. If possible, work on a copy of your file so you can keep your original unchanged. Up at the top of the Acrobat window, you'll see the Quick Access toolbar. This area is designed for tools you use frequently. To customize it, click the three dots on the toolbar. Those three dots open a small menu that lets you manage which tools appear for one-click access, helping you streamline repetitive tasks. From there, look for the option called Add a Stamp. This tool lets you place pre-designed or custom stamps onto your pages, perfect for labels like Approved, Draft, Confidential, or for adding a signature-style stamp if your workflow allows it. Once you locate, add a stamp in the menu, add it into your Quick Access toolbar. After you add it, you should see a stamp icon appear up top, which means it's ready for quick use whenever you need it. Try clicking the icon to confirm it opens the stamp options so you'll be ready when it's time to mark your pages. Next, click on Bates numbering. Bates numbering is a standardized way to label pages with sequential numbers, often used in legal, finance, or compliance-heavy workflows. It helps you keep large document sets organized and makes it simple to reference specific pages later. When the Bates numbering panel opens, edit on your needs. You can choose how the numbers look, including the starting number, the total number of digits, and whether to include a prefix or suffix, like a project code or matter ID. You can also decide where the numbers appear on the page, top or bottom, left, center, or right, and adjust the font size and style for readability. If you're numbering multiple files, set the file order so the sequence follows your intended flow. Use the available preview so you can confirm placement and formatting before committing to the changes. Clear, consistent formatting will save you time during reviews and make cross-referencing much easier. Once your settings reflect your preferences, you're set. With Add a Stamp readily accessible and Bates numbering tailored to your workflow, you'll move through document reviews faster and with more consistency. That's all you need to confidently stamp pages and apply professional Bates numbers in Adobe Acrobat.